This is how you remove your presser foot from your sewing machine. There's a lever in the back of the presser foot here, and you push it in to disengage the presser foot, and that's it. It just falls off. I'm going to switch my presser foot and I'm going to put on a zipper foot. The zipper foot has two sides depending on which side you want to stitch on. What you're going to do is position this bar with the groove underneath the presser foot shank, and we're going to use the lever in the back here, presser foot lever, to lower the lever onto the foot, and it will slip over this bar. We're going to position it, and now we're going to lower the lever in the back here like that, and that's it. Presser foot is now on. See, you're ready to go. That's all it takes to change your presser foot on your sewing machine.